Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is what is his or her current feelings for you. What are they thinking? Their next move, whatever. Deep. We will look into this situation deeply. I will also be pulling these special love messages for you, which you all requested. These cute cards. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Winds Tarot. Friends, many of you are watching but not subscribing. That's not fair. Friends, please do subscribe. Especially in this year with so much going on, people are really suffering. Please do subscribe and share, friends. It really helps to help these videos reach to more people, and that's my intention. It's not my intention to earn more money from here. I am already doing well enough. Thanks to God and angels. Friends, the intention is for everyone in this tough time to feel supported and to find some hope. So friends, please do subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like this video and share this video if possible. And friends, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. I post almost every day without any delay, so you make sure to subscribe. And also, friends, this channel is in Hindi and English both, so I post alternate days on Hindi and the other day on English, so you can it's a pattern. I'm sure you are used to it. And you can also join our exclusive Hindi channel, Magic Winds Tarot Hindi. You can also subscribe there, friends. Friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com, friends. Yes, and let's take a deep breath. You can think of your person. It could be anyone: lover, crush, twin flame, ex-husband, wife, husband, wife, someone you love, soulmate, crush, anyone, a friend also. You can take anyone, think of that person, take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful lady in the red dress. I hope you can see it. This lady with the umbrella, the fan. Option number 2, this lady in the blue. Very pretty dress she has. Option number 3, this beautiful lady in the orange dress. I love her dress. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your pile, friends. Also, you can also choose more than one option, friends, for your person's current feelings or for different people, different piles. So let's begin with option number 1. I will be pulling extra clarifiers or extra cards if required. Let's begin. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful red lady and the man behind. Let's see, how is your person, what are their current feelings, what's happening with them. We'll see the situation in detail. This is your advice for this relationship. We'll look at that in the end. These are some extra messages. Let's see your cards. Wow, the Ace of Cups. Lovey-dovey, huh? The Two of Pentacles. Interesting. Oops. The Temperance. I want to keep it here. I hope. Okay. The Four of Swords. The Six of Swords. And oh my God, the Wheel of Fortune. I hope you can see the cards, friends. I hope that's better. Wow. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. This is very nice, friends. Very nice. And let's see this extra card also. Wisdom. Wow. I feel your person is currently that you are not in contact with this person. Definitely you are not in contact with this person. There is no conversations happening, or from a long time you have been in a long distance relationship, or nothing is happening in this connection. I feel things are at a standstill. Perhaps your person is not talking to you, or you are not talking to them. I also feel like there is a resting phase, or like the situation, this connection is at pause. You are a little confused about this person. I feel this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or they could be an Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I definitely feel this person and you both live in different cities. I feel like USA, New Zealand, UK, Canada, all those areas are coming. Maybe they live near somewhere water, or they live far from you, very, very far from you. That's what I feel. Or emotionally, right now, there is a lot of distance in you and this person. I feel currently your person is trying to work very, very hard. I feel they are trying to forget you, or they are trying to delay things in this connection. They are trying to ignore you by focusing on their work, by focusing on their money, their career, their money, money, money. I keep hearing money, money, money. I feel this person is trying to build a career or build their finances. I feel maybe they are an essential worker, like someone in the medical field, or someone in the law, or in army, or the forces, or administration. Someone who is working, too much at this time of the year because the world situation. So they are working a little too much, and they are trying to forget you, or they are trying to ignore you because of their work. I also feel there has been a lot of ups and downs in this relationship. It has not been an easy relationship. I feel like our viewers, may have felt like this person isn't trustworthy. Definitely, you feel like this person isn't trustworthy. They have broken your trust. They keep talking to you and someone else. You feel that way, but. This person is definitely trying to heal themselves, trying to balance their mind and heart. They are trying to find a balance in their life. Why they are trying to find that balance? Because they feel this love for you. They have this Ace of Cups of love for you. I feel this person has never expressed how much they love you. And it's actually very upsetting, because this person, look at them, how unhappy they are looking. Almost to the point they are angry with themselves because they never expressed their love. While you, our viewers, have expressed their love a lot. You are very expressive. You don't shy away from expressions, while this person is like, nah, nah. I mean, like, they just can't express anything. So this reading is more important for you because this person stays so quiet, and I think they are angry, they are upset because they had so much of love with you, for you, but they never shared it, they never expressed it, they never got the chance to say anything because of their own issues, or because they were trying to play, I'm very busy, I'm very hard to get. This person was trying to act like, oh, hey, I'm busy, I'm very busy. I'm a social butterfly. But then, bam, I think you kind of felt not right and you moved away. I feel a lot has happened. Maybe this person is your twin flame, or you were married to them, or there was some talks about marriage, commitment, moving in, settling down, because there is this lotus is about spiritual growth, lotus is about spiritual union. They definitely, your person wants to make this connection better. They want the challenges or worries in this connection to end. They want to come towards you and share this love, this Ace of Cups. They want to balance their life, and they also want to balance this connection. They want a new start with you. I feel they are waiting for the right time. because right now maybe this person is younger, or they are financially not so stable. I also feel like this person could be going through some physical issues, like health issues, or maybe, some financial issues. So they actually want to make things better, but they are waiting for the right time. I also feel for 50% of you, there might have been someone interfering in this connection, maybe a past lover or a past girlfriend. I will take a clarifier on that, because I do feel like, there I don't know why, but I feel like there was a third party, not just career or money, but like someone else interfering in the connection. So let me just see, angels, who was interfering in this connection for pile number one. Yeah, the high priestess. You definitely have serious doubts about this person. You feel like they are cheating, they are lying, or you feel very, very connected to this person. You can read their mind, you can also, understand. I think your connection was very creative, or you might were office workers, co-workers, you studied together, or you had some similar hobby. But I definitely feel there were some lies, or there were some truths hidden, because there is this mask, and I keep getting that, something masked, compromise. Yeah, there is someone from the past, and I feel like this person, maybe there was an misunderstanding regarding, like, is there someone else, why are you ignoring me, are you with someone else, is there someone from your past there? Because there is also number 8, which is about Saturn, which is about karma, which is about some sort of doubt, some sort of test coming in this relationship. So definitely there was some misunderstanding which happened, and you may have asked them, is there someone else, that's why you're ignoring me? I think your person wants you to compromise or understand their point of view, although I see they are not saying anything at all. So I think it's a really tough situation to understand their point of view when this person isn't saying anything, but they feel this. Look at this Ace of Cups. It's like the entire reading is focused here. What's happening with this person, angels, for pile number one? What's happening with their person? Okay, let's just take these two. Wow. Yeah, the you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel this person is very rational. They overanalyze everything. Even when they have deep emotions, they have trouble speaking it. I also feel this person of yours, they had a very rough childhood as growing up, or they are from army or some forces, or you know I don't know why, but I feel like they had a very tough childhood, and they are used to not sharing their emotions, or even, I think it comes from their father, and they are really heartbroken. Look at this. This person is crying, but they are completely frozen. Wow. This person is going through some issues, and they are trying to heal. In fact, not just this person is trying to heal. I think you are also trying spiritually. The both your souls are trying. Even angels are trying to heal this person, help this person. They had some rough issues in life, really rough. It's like maybe they were a sailor, they had to travel a lot, they never had enough food, or even if they were very rich, it's like they had a very tough childhood because of their harsh parents, or they had to travel a lot. Emotionally, they were not very supported. So, how do this person feels about our viewers? This person really loves you. They have never seen a person like you, man or a woman. You are balanced, you are expressive, you are like an angel in their life. How does this person sees you or feels about you? Wow. Comparison. I think this person is really jealous, a little bit jealous, because you seem to have everything together. Because you have this, look at this. They are ice frozen here with their emotions, and you are overflowing with emotions. So it's opposites attract, and they are like, ooh, they are a little jealous of you. Sorry to say that, but yeah. They are a little jealous that you have everything together. I think you both faced the same issues in life, but this person could not recover from that, or they are struggling to recover while you have everything together and you are making the most of it. So this person is really losing it, and they are like, oh my god, I love this girl, I love this man, how do I say it? And they see you riding on success, or they see like you have many suitors, many people like you. So they are a little jealous. I feel jealousy, I feel passion. They don't want to share you. I see this person is spying on your social media. Woohoo. Do check. I think if you have blocked them, they could be using a fake account. Yes, people do that. Silence. I think this person really thinks about you when it's the night time, or when they are relaxing during work also. They really think about you. They feel a very deep and emotional connection with you. I also feel this person is trying to gain some maturity which they didn't had in the past. They are trying to become more mature. And what's their next move? What is this person's next move towards our... Wow, soulmate, the dream, Six of Cups. This person loves you, friends. They love you. I don't know how else can I say they love you. Look at this, Six of Cups. The soulmate. They love you. They know you. They dream about you. They in the future they see that you will be, how it will be to be together with you, to make love to you, to spend time with you. What they want, what this person wants to have with our viewers, his next move, his or her next move. Oh my god, Two of Cups. This person is head over heels in love with you. Look at this, Six of Cups, Two of Cups. This person cannot live without you, and somehow or the other I feel you both are tied together. No matter if this person is married, you are married, or if you are both single, if they have children. I don't know what's happening, because I'm reading for many people, so it may be different for all of you. But whatever is going on, this person definitely wants to have a relationship with you. They want to build things with you. They want to create some art, some music with you. I also feel this person wants to have a dream, settle down with you. Wow, this is beautiful. Will they be able to express their love? I think that's the biggest problem this person is having. Oh my god, again the Four of Swords. I think they want to express right now also. Maybe they have tried to missed call you. Some of you may have got a missed call. Or maybe some of you have recently messaged this person. They want to call you. I see like they keep postponing it. They keep pushing it. Like, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. What if she's not, he or she's not in the right mood today? I'll call tomorrow. I'll call tomorrow. They want to call you right now, but there is so much love here and so much of expectations from them. Like they are little scared, because they have to express their emotions. You'll ask them some tough questions if they come back, isn't it? Let me just see. Will they oh my god. Maturity, the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I think this person will not only express the emotions, I think this person will also give you some solid plan, like, let's be friends, let's not, let's be friends, let's try to know each other better, or hey, let's start dating again, something like that. They they want to commit to you. They want to give you something more than just a call, or just just expressing their love. They want to give you, they want to commit to you, they want a solid new start, they want to build with you. So let's see the advice for you, and then we are going to look at the extra messages and romance angels messages. A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. This person could be a Virgo. I did felt an extreme strong energy of Virgo. And a time to give rather than to take. I think you really feel impatient and frustrated with this situation, which you are right to feel. But I think it's you need to be more understanding about this person because they are dealing with some really tough and heavy stuff. They are not telling you, but they are really frozen. Look at this. They can't even cry. They can't do anything. This person is going through a lot, and angels and and their spirit guides are trying to help them. So be kind to yourself and to this person. I know it's tough. I understand it. I no judgments, friends. If you cannot be kind to them, I feel you need to be kind to yourself also. Take care of yourself. Be extra nice to yourself because I feel it eventually helps this person. Adjustments are required. Third quarter moon, yes, definitely. There will be some adjustments both you will have to make for this relationship to work, but I feel it will be a very good relationship because it is a dream come true for this person. You both are quite compatible, or you can be very compatible if you do some work, if you just do some work. Let's see some romance angels messages, then we'll look at the cards. Oh my god, that was no I wanted to shuffle, but okay, angels, I can't help it. As you say, your wish is my command. I don't know. I hope I said it right. Oh my God, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. This person is your true love, or you are their true love. Oh my God, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. And look at this new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So, friends, definitely it's a 50-50. For some of you, this person is coming back. Things will get better. For others of you, I feel you might be a little frustrated with this person or the situation, and you may decide to move on, or someone new will enter your life and sweep you off your feet into a joyride. So, ooh la la, that's beautiful. So, so a new love is also coming, and this is your true love. Absolutely. Let's see some extra messages from this person. Magic. Maybe this person loves our channel like you do. Magic happens when we are together. Yes, this person finds you magical, friends. They absolutely magical. They adore you. Anything else for pile number one? Oh my God, they love you. Look at that. And it's in bold and italics because I don't think so. This person ever told you how much they mean, how much they love you, how much you mean to them. Look at this. They really love you. They really care for you. You are magical to them. You are angelic to them. You are their true love. You are the one they want to be with. And the revolution in our story is real romance. Wow. This is a revolutionary romance, isn't it, friends? It is something that, you will tell your grandchildren, like, hey, that was the time, we dated, we married, or we eloped from the home and all those things. This is a revolutionary romance. Maybe you both are from the same sex, or from different cultures, religions, and or maybe from very different backgrounds, or very high age gap is there, but coming together is amazing. That's why adjustments are required. So, my God, whoopee whoopee. So that's it for now, friends. And do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot friends. Do subscribe. 50% of you watch but don't subscribe. That's very bad, friends. Very, very, very bad. If you take a free service, you should always pay it back, friends. Subscribe, like this video, and share with friends. It's the least we can ask for you because we do not ask for payments. So yeah, please. And if you do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, if you want to buy a personal reading, join our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. Personal bookings are there. You can join our new channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. Hindi Urdu channel, friends. The link is in the timestamps. And this is Mystic. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful blue lady, the lady in the blue dress, number 6. Option number 2, the number on it is 6. Let's see what is currently happening with your person. I'll also be pulling some extra love messages for you, friends, and some advice cards are here for you. Let's see what's happening with your person. We'll look into detail. We'll also be pulling some romance angels messages. Don't forget to subscribe, friends. Subscribe. 50% of you watch but don't subscribe, friends. Never use something for free. Always try to give it back. Pay it forward, friends. If you we work very hard. Subscribe. I also do that for channels which I love, or I try to recommend them to friends and family, for people or work that I enjoy on YouTube or anywhere else. So, friends, please, thank you so much for subscribing. Let's see your cards. 3 of Wands, 7 of Wands, the Hanged Man, okay, the Knight of Rods, 4 of Cups, the 8 of Wands, and Confusion. Wow, interesting. Very interesting. So I feel, friends, currently what's happening in your situation, what's happening with your person. I feel, friends, currently your person, first and foremost, your person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Or you both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel a very strong fire energy and Scorpio energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I also feel Virgo and Taurus, so maybe someone is a Virgo or Taurus also, or they have a lot of Earth also. I feel this relationship is really frustrating you. It is like there has been a lot of arguments, a lot of challenges. This person is extremely defensive right now. They are trying to defend themselves. They are trying to defend the wrongs they have done. I also feel they are trying to really fight with you, argue with you, or they are. I feel like this relationship is stuck. It's stuck and it's not moving since a long time, maybe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, maybe 7 months, 6 months, 4 weeks, 2 weeks. It is stuck and it's not moving. Why? Because there is so much resistance from your person. Your person is very fixated. They are very hot tempered. I'm sorry to say that, but they might be a little hot tempered at the moment, and they are trying to focus on other things in life. I also feel, if you both are talking, there is a lot of conflict happening in this relationship, a lot of arguments. I feel like your person has turned their back and they want to move ahead, or they have done that in the past, like they tried to move ahead, they tried to put the relationship on a pause, and then they said, I don't know what to do, we keep fighting, I don't know what to do, so let's just leave it. They tried to ignore. I think like they have tried to turn their back on this connection, or they are trying to fight away from they are trying to run away from your love. This is like this person loves you, but they are trying to find reasons why it will not work. This is so funny. But yes, that's what exactly they are doing. Even when you say like you love them, you care for them, this person starts an argument, or maybe there is family issues, or maybe there is work issues, or people interfering in this connection. But this person understands all those things, but they also like you. They see a lot of potential in you. They feel a lot of attraction for you, a lot of sexual feelings they have for you. But they are trying to run away. They are trying to tell you why it will not work. There is so much, we keep fighting, this is so much of hard work. They are trying to turn their back. I also feel you have tried to message this person recently, or you have sent a few messages to this person, but they have like literally left you on seen, unseen. So maybe you WhatsApp them or DM them and they didn't reply to you. They saw the message, but they didn't reply to you. Or you messaged them, emailed them, but they just never reply you back. So you feel very incomplete. You feel very frustrated with this person. I feel like this person is trying to fight away from your connection just because they don't know how to cooperate or how to handle the stress, the pressure. I don't know where this pressure is coming from, but they definitely feel very hot-tempered, very impulsive. This person is quite, they are a leader, they are very impulsive, they take quick decisions, they don't regret their decisions. But I think they have taken an impulsive decision in the past to leave you. They tried to defend themselves and they went away, but now they are regretting you, they are missing you so much. I also feel this person wants to talk with you, or they will soon, very quick, very, very soon, they will message you. Possibly in the next 8 days, or maybe in the next 8 hours, they are going to message you, or maybe in the next, 1 to 2 weeks, they are going to message you. And I feel like it is going to be a chain of messages like woo, 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 bam, 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 bam. And it's like, woo, what happened? Now you are talking to me. What happened to all that? I need some space. This person would be like, hey, I need some space. You know that? And I think that's the most I know it sometimes we all need space, but they just want, I think this just was an impulsive reaction they had, and they were like, I need some space, and they just ran away. I feel this person is also very confused about what they want in life. Also, they take very quick decisions, and sometimes they don't think well about their decisions. Also, they have some pressure from their family, or they want to build their career, or they are very ambitious. Maybe they are a businessman or someone who is a builder, architect, or financial analyst. They want to, or maybe someone who deals in trading, export, import. So they are very workaholic, also work addicts, ambitious. So they take very quick decisions, but sometimes they regret their decisions, and then they get confused because they never thought so much about their decision. I also feel you have some age gap with this person. Maybe you are not from the same cultures and societies. So there is this also, like this person is trying to say, they are trying to find ways why it will not work. See, my family won't understand you. Our cultures are different. We live in different cities, this and that. This was in the past. They said to you, you are very patient, you are very mature, you are very calm. No matter your age, you are very, very, our viewers are very patient. You are like, fine, okay. So, see, existence, the card came out. I'll take that, but I'll shuffle first. So, what's currently happening with this person? Let's see. Okay. Innocence. This person is right now missing you. They really miss you. They really want to talk to you. I feel they may have had some career success or some promotion, or some, maybe if they are in college or studying, they may have cleared some exam which you knew was tough for them. They want to share that. They want to share their innocence, their pure love with them, with you. They also want to share this, this is the Queen of Wands. So definitely you both could be fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also got Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So maybe some of you are Aquarius, Libra, Geminis. This person is very much focused on home, family, ambition, money, career, status, all those things, So they definitely want to give you a lot, but right now they are feeling a little caught between, tradition and this relationship. Should they be traditional? Should they follow this relationship? I see there is, we'll clarify. Let's just clarify. What's blocking this connection, angels? What's blocking this connection? They definitely want to talk to you, but still they are not taking action. They are still like, I'm waiting. They are trying their best to see the things from a different perspective. Consciousness. Yeah, it's between traditions. Maybe you both are culturally different, or maybe your thought processes are different. So this person needs to awaken themselves. Ace of Swords, breakthroughs. Maybe this person is married to someone else, or they have a child, or you were married once, or they were married once, and now it's tough for them to enter in another relationship because of the past experiences. So they are trying to mature up. They are trying to change the way they think about life. They know they need to change it. And their thinking, their traditional, their orthodox, their impulsiveness, that is creating a problem. What is blocking this connection, angels? Participation, Four of Wands. It could be a marriage. Maybe this person is married, or their family wants them to get married to someone of their choice, or they do not agree on marriage with you, or there is some issues regarding marriage. This person could also be your twin flame. And Two of Swords, yes, the block is also this person is not taking a decision. They are stuck. They are stuck between the mountain and the valley, which is not fair to you or fair to them. So how do they feel about our viewers? Let's see that. I love doing these readings. This is such a nice, relaxing day today. I had a beautiful day. How about you, friends? Wow, compromise. They want you to compromise with them. Or they also feel you are very understanding. They feel you are very patient with them, very understanding. This person is like a storm, this person is like a wild beast, while you are like this ocean which is calm, which is beautiful, and you don't worry too much about things in life. That's beautiful. I really love that energy of our viewers. How do they feel about our viewers? Okay, that's a lot of cards, but we'll take it. Projections. Yeah, they see that you mirror back. This person is very inspired by you. They want to be like you. They want to travel towards you. They feel you are very, very, Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands. It is twice here. They feel you are very, sassy, you're very high spirited. Even though you are very mature and calm, you still are very passionate, you are very bold, just like them. They also want to take things forward with you. Two of Wands, they want to take this connection, they want to be mature for you. They want the respect from your eyes. Three of Wands, they want to take this relationship in the future. Ten of Wands, but they right now are stuck because of family, or because of work issues, or because of their ambition, because of their tradition, orthodox impulsiveness. They are stuck. In fact, they feel like they are not only stuck, they are in a cave which is blocked completely, like they are hanging upside down. They can't do anything. They also see you as someone who is very gifted, very talented, and someone who deserves much more than they can offer to you at the moment. Yeah, see, they really are fighting this connection. They are trying to run away from this connection. Maybe this is your twin flame, this person. So what will happen in the future? What actions will this person take? Moment to moment. Yeah, I think this person wants to talk to you. They will try to message you, or if you have common friends, they will try to reach out through common friends or through pictures on social media. But you will have to take this connection day by day. And because they really have they are really scared to upset some people in their life or family, or maybe it's tradition or something. Or maybe they are married, they don't want to break that thing, or maybe they have children or something like that. So you have to take it day by day. Don't rush into it things. They also don't want to rush into things, because they want to be a mature person for you, not someone who is impulsive and just take quick decisions. Let's see the advice for you, then we'll take some special love messages. It's time to take action, new moon in Aries. Wow. I feel some of you are really frustrated with this person because you have been waiting since a long time. So it's time to take action. If you feel this person isn't the right person, or this relationship isn't the right thing for you, I would suggest you to move on or focus on yourself for right now, or take some action towards your goals, your life path, your career, your ambition. Don't wait, just wait. Don't just wait here, take some action, do something in your life. If possibly, focus on your goals. Romance angels messages for pile number 2. It's the true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Romance angels messages, pile number 2. Oh my god, I dropped it. Let me just pick it up. So, friends, the card that went down on the floor was the romantic feelings. Your feelings are worth and real, and they are real and worth exploring. So, friends, I definitely feel the attraction is sky high in this connection. You both share some deep, passionate love, some very deep emotional connection. This is your true love, but you have to decide which way it will go for you, because it's time to take action. It's time for you to focus on yourself. And let's take this person loves you, but I do not they will talk to you, but I do not see them taking a concrete or a big action towards you, like a big move. Like, let's see some messages from this person. Wow, value. You value everything I share. Yeah, this person wants to share with you. They want to talk with you. I think you are their best friend also, not just a lover or a soulmate or a twin flame. You are their best friend. So they value sharing everything with you. And that's what they are missing right now. They miss talking with you. You are their favorite out of everyone on this planet. You are my favorite. Wow, that's so cute. Oh, look at this happy face. Oh, this is beautiful. You are definitely their favorite person in this entire world, and congratulations for that. So, on that note, please do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Friends, please do subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Join our new channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu channel. The link is in the timestamps. This is Mystic. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful lady in the orange dress, let's see what is happening with your person. What are their current feelings for you? Special love messages we'll look for also in this reading. Friends, please do subscribe our channel if you haven't already. This is the least, this is a way to thank me back, friends, for all the free readings we are doing since the tough time of the year. Please do subscribe, it motivates me, and share and like this video if possible. This is the advice for you, friends. And let's see your cards. Wow, the sun, this is beautiful. The Ace of Pentacles, the star. My god, this is absolutely your twin flame. The sun, the star, 5 of Cups, the 2 of Wands, the Magician. Oh my god, 1, 2 and 3 major arcanas, and the Knight of Pentacles, Destiny. Okay, and Mysticism. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel, friends, your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They could also be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Friends, this person is really regretting you, missing you. They are just so much filled with such regret, such loss. They are crying over you. I can't tell you, the minute I picked this pile, it was like my heart was breaking with a million tears. This person is crying over you. I also keep getting the song. It's by Christiana Perry. I Will Love You for a Thousand Years. It's an English song, but it's a beautiful song, friends. I think you should go and listen or check the lyrics of that song after the reading. I love you for a thousand years. I think this person really loves you, and in that same intensity, and they are missing you right now. I feel this person is not in the same city or in contact with you right now. I feel like there is no contact at all with this person in the recent times between you and this person. Maybe if you know them from work, you do talk about work, but otherwise I do not see you both talking or even maintaining some form of contact or communication. They are really losing it over you. This person sees you as the most beautiful part of their life, the most beautiful person on in their life. They see you as a sun, they see you as this sunshine person. They definitely know that you are their divine masculine or feminine, or this connection is something very unique and very special. I also feel that your person is extremely gifted. They may be very unique. Maybe they are a hippie, they have some tattoos, some piercings, maybe they have long hairs. Whether she's a man or a woman, or he or she, they have long hairs, they have some piercings, some tattoos. They are also very creative. Maybe this person is an artist, a musician, a photographer, a model, actor, a writer, poet, whatever. Or maybe you both are creative. I feel like this person is, this person is like very. Maybe they are from the armed forces. I keep getting that. I don't know why, but maybe they come from royalty or from some rich heritage or background. It feels like this person, for them, honor is very high, or honor is everything, respect is everything for this person. And they really respect you. I feel there is also an age gap between you and this person, a lot of age gap, a significant like 2 3 years or maybe more of an age gap. I feel this person could also be hiding themselves, their emotions, because they are a little scared. I don't think so. They are even telling you how much they miss you, or showing you on social media or through common friends. They are not at all telling you how much they miss you. They are just showing that they are working, they are focusing on their career. Maybe this person is a student, so they just talk about or show pictures of that, but I feel they are crying inside very much. Also, I feel this person keeps dreaming about you. They have a lot of vivid dreams about you, making love to you. Yeah. Let's not go into those details because I will have to label YouTube has its policies. So, yeah, but this person is vividly dreaming about you, about your body. They have some fantasies about you. This person, I feel like they are trying to be mature. They are trying to be mature, or they are trying to act mature, but they are actually a very sweet kid inside them. This person really, they may be like, I'm very chilled out kind of a person, they say. If you ask this person, like, how are you, they'll say we are very chilled. But outside they act very calm, very mature, but inside they have a volcano of love for you. I feel this person is trying to manifest you back in their life, but they don't know how to. They are trying with repeated ways. If she's a woman, maybe she has tried to do some candle work or something to bring you back, or maybe she's writing. I feel like this, even if they are a man, I feel they have carved your name on some bark or some wood, maybe on a bike or something. They have written your name. I see them writing your name and their name together with a cross heart. So this person is obsessed with you. They really want you back. I keep getting that maybe this person is, I'm sorry to say, but maybe it will resonate with few of you. Maybe this person is having some health issues like depression, anxiety, or something like that, something similar, PTSD or something like that. I do feel like they are or they had some issues in the past like that, like they are trying to recover from those things, because you see, maybe they were into substance abuse. Sorry friends for saying this, but I have to say the truth. As politely as I can, but I will have to be honest here. Maybe they were over drinking or had some, issues with depression, anxiety. So they are trying to come out of it, definitely. They are trying to, or maybe they have already come clean of it, but they want to offer something to you, and they also feel that it is destiny which is keeping you. It is destiny that brought you together, and it is destiny which is taking this relationship ahead. They find you very spiritual. You also feel this person is extremely mysterious. You don't know what they are up to, who they are. You feel you know them, but then they are this, then they are also this, then they are also this. So this person is very multi-talented, or they have many faces, not in a bad way, but they have different at different times they behave differently. So you are like, who is this person? Do I even know them? And they also feel like you are very spiritual, very gifted, very talented. You are very successful. Some great things are happening for you. They are crying over you. I feel this person also feels maybe you have someone else in your life. Let's see. So, what's happening with this person for pile number 3? I'm enjoying this reading. It's a nice, relaxing day here, so don't forget to subscribe, friends. Even on a relaxing Sunday, I'm working, so please, for that effort, subscribe and like this video. And and why I'm doing this, because friends, it's not the easiest of year for any one of us, and the more you share, the better it will help someone. Look at this, beyond illusion. This person is really focusing on meditation, yoga, healing, opening their third eye. I feel this person feels very telepathically connected with you. They can hear your thoughts, or you can hear their thoughts, their emotions. So you both are very connected with each other. How is this person currently feeling? Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. Yeah, I told you, they are crying, they are pretending to be well, they are also trying to clean from emotions, or regrets, or substance abuse, or anger issues. This person is feeling a little tired. That's why maybe they are doing some healing, Reiki, or something like that. How, what's blocking this connection? What's blocking this connection? Let's see that. You can buy a personal reading also, friends. If you want a more in-depth reading for yourself, you can buy it from our website. Postponent, 4 of Swords. I think this person isn't taking any action. That's the biggest problem here in this connection. They don't take any actions or decisions. They are not making a move. I see you have not been in contact. This person hasn't made a move or a message towards you in a long, long time. You also have stress, number 7 of Wands. See, like this looks like a person who is going through a lot of issues. They have a lot on their plate. They have like work issues. Maybe they are a student, they are working, they are handling 2 jobs, maybe. They are also dealing with some emotional issues. Oh my God, this person is going through so much of stress, anxiety. I told you, friends, something is going on with this person, and that's blocking the connection. They are not taking action also. So how does this person feel about you, our viewers? This person is definitely your twin flame, or someone you were married to. Innocence. They feel a lot of love for you. They also feel you are very spiritual, you are very wise, very mature. Like you feel very kind to this person. You have been very kind to this person. That they appreciate that. They appreciate that you are very beautiful. You are like a innocent child. How do they feel about our viewers? 9 of Cups. They feel you are like a dream come true for them. You are the happiest thing that ever happened to this person. They never felt so happy except when they were with you. And oh my God, this is so beautiful. You are their happiness. Maybe you went partying or something, or maybe you had just some amazing happy times. High Priestess. Strong telepathy connections, and again they also see that you are very rich or very hardworking. You are also very spiritual, very emotional. You are also hardworking, very gifted, very talented, and they are also looking for they feel like, I think this relationship came to a very bad ending. It was very brutal, the ending. and it cost you a lot of hurt, it cost them a lot of hurt, so they do feel that they recognize that hurt and pain they have caused to you. They recognize it. It's not like they don't know it. I'm just keeping them aside for a while. So what actions, any possible actions from this person, their next move or actions? Oh my god, let's see. Healing, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, this person wants to heal things within their life and in this relationship. They want to fix things in this connection. They want to be this man or this woman of your dreams. They also want you to let go of the past so that new things can start in this connection. They see you, look at this, the king and the queen of pentacles. Look at this, they are of the same suit. They see you as this ultimate partner, as this partner they can never again, this is like the partnership of dreams of the dreams, this is like something cherry on the cake or the stars of the stars, something they just can never find anywhere else. This is like you are their equal match. And Six of Swords burden, they want to make this connection work. They want you to forgive them or forget the past or heal the past. They want to take things forward with you, and I definitely see some messages or something will happen in this connection in the future, or at least some healing, because there is also the card of destiny. Where is that card? Destiny. So destiny is acting in favor of this connection, or when divine timing is here. So whenever the timing is right, things are going to heal. Let's see the advice, because I feel it's important for you. Oh my god, look at this. Surrender to the divine, the full moon. So emotions are very high in this connection, so you may need to calm down a little and forgive them. I know it's tough, but yeah. And surrender to the divine. Let go of the control issues. Let destiny play its role. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. It will happen without you doing or this person doing anything. Focus on your life for now, I feel. Let's take a love message for you. Then I'll take this message for pile number 3. For pile number 3, any messages? Give your relationship a chance. They are calling you. Your person is trying to calling yours. They are calling in your soulmate. I told you they are trying to manifest you. They have done candle work. They have done, not in a bad way, friends. I never encourage it. Absolutely never encourage anyone to do something bad related with magic, because friends, it doesn't harm the person you are doing it on. It only harms the person who is doing it. So you know what I mean, right? But this person has done, like, we do like those things kids do, right? They say something, they light a candle and pray, or they write names in the barks of the tree. So something spiritual, something which is natural, which is natural, which is connected with the divine. They are trying to manifest you back in their life. Also, give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. It is a tough relationship there. It's not tough, it's like you both are extremely similar. You have to, and divine timing is also off right now, so you have to give it some time to get things going in this connection. And let's see your message. Quiet each other's fears. This person is scared. Maybe you are also scared about some things, because they see you as this inner child, happy, innocent person. They want to quieten your fears, your insecurities. They also want the same from you. So sweet. That's beautiful. Endearing. You have such an endearing personality. This person loves you. They find you so charming. They find you like a perfect match to them. They can never ever find someone better than you. Absolutely never, ever. And smile. Out of all your curves of the body, your smile is my favorite. Oh my god, this person, I think you also love this person's smile, and you might be missing them. And gift, you are the greatest gift God has given to me. Oh my God, friends. Now that's amazing, amazing. That's amazing, friends. So, friends, that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends, and do like and share, friends. And and friends, please, 50% of you that are watching and not subscribing, very, very unfair, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And um, you can join our new channel for Hindi Urdu readings exclusively. The link is in the timestamps, friends. Sorry for that. And this is Mystic C saying bye.